these hearing aids are great, and y'all providing them for me have done excellent. As far as I can tell, everything is fine, and I hear great with them. When I put them in the mornings, I can hear myself breathing.
Awesome.
And if I take them out, I can't hear it. Less than half of what I'm supposed to.
And when you have the hearing aids in, how was
I've
that?
got them in, they're good.
Awesome.
And they was giving me a little problem, but the gentleman here took care of that problem. They were squealing, but now they don't squeal anymore unless maybe I lay down on the bed, put my ear right against something.
Okay. Awesome. Hey, I appreciate you telling
yeah,
us how you feel.
Yes, and I feel great about them, and I enjoy them.
Well, good. Hey, we appreciate you being a patient, so I'm glad I was able to help you out. So thank you for the testimonial.
Yes, sir. Thank you.